Every morning after a stroke can feel like starting life all over again. You open your eyes and even lifting an arm feels like climbing a mountain. But here is the truth. The way you start your morning can completely change the pace of your recovery. Today I'll walk you through a powerful 10-minute morning routine that can help your brain reconnect, your muscles reawaken, and your confidence rebuild just at home. And by the end, you'll understand why each step works, not just how to do it. Most stroke survivors are told, do your exercise and be patient. But patience alone doesn't rebuild the neural pathways, but purposeful repetition does. The brain isn't broken, it is rewiring. Think of it like a city after an earthquake. Some of the roads are damaged, but traffic can still find new routes if we start early enough. And that's exactly what this routine does. It opens the new brain highways every single morning. So let's get into it. Before you move a muscle, we start with the mind. Because stroke recovery isn't just physical, it is neurological. Here's the secret. The brain is more plastic in the morning. That means it is more open to learning new movement patterns in the morning. So first, close your eyes and visualize this. Picture yourself sitting tall. Picture your arm moving smoothly. Picture standing up safely and walking. This isn't positive thinking, it is neuroscience. When you imagine movement, the brain activates the same motor circuits as if you actually performed them. Do this for just 2 minutes. It wakes up your brain's motor cortex before the day begins, like warming an engine before driving. Now we bring the body online. After a stroke, the communication between your brain and the body parts weakens, especially on one side. So before doing the exercise, we need to remind the brain that these parts exist. Start with the gentle sensory work. Rub your palms together until they feel warm. Place your warm hands on the weaker arm or leg. Then tap gently along the muscles. From shoulder to the wrist level and from the thigh to the ankle. So you rub your palms until they feel warm. Place your warm hands on the weaker arm, for instance on this side. Then you tap gently from the shoulder level to the wrist level. This touch sends sensory input to the brain, saying, hey, this arm is still part of us. Do it slowly with attention. Here is what most people miss. Attention strengthens the neural reconnection. It is not about how strong you press. It is about how focused you are while doing it. Now that your brain and body are awake, we move. And every movement has a reason. Number 1, shoulder rolls. This helps release stiffness and improve blood flow to the upper parts of the body. You do 10 slow circles forward and 10 slow circles backward. Number 2, reach and hold. Slowly extend your arm forward as far as you can, then pause for 3 seconds. That pause helps your brain record the movement. Then number 3, seated marching. Lift each knee one at a time, even slightly. This activates your core and balance centers. Number 4, ankle pumps, and circles. Because foot mobility is very key for walking safety. Then number 5, sit to stand if safe. You only do it if you are safe. Use support if needed. Each time you stand up, your brain rehearses postural control and coordination. Don't rush, don't chase for perfection. The goal is consistency, not intensity. Because each movement done daily tells your brain, let's rebuild this connection. Here is what most people skip, but it is the glue that holds the routine together. After a stroke, breathing often becomes shallow because the chest and diaphragm lose coordination. But deep, intentional breathing helps oxygenate the healing tissues and calm the nervous system. Try this simple pattern. Inhale deeply through your nose for 4 seconds, hold for 2 seconds, then exhale gently through your mouth for 6 seconds. So you inhale deeply through your nose for 6 seconds, hold for 2 seconds, then exhale gently through your mouth for 6 seconds. Each breath lowers the stress hormones, balances the blood pressure, and makes your movements smoother. It is the reset button for both your body and your mind. Finally, end your routine with a small dose of gratitude. Not the feel-good kind, but the retraining one. Gratitude stimulates the same prefrontal brain regions involved in motor recovery and motivation. So after finishing your session, say aloud, I am proud of what I did today. My body is learning again. That single sentence rewires your mindset towards progress, not frustration. Because recovery isn't about going back to who you were, it is about becoming stronger than yesterday. Let's recap. Step 1, visualize the movement to waken up the brain. Step 2, reconnect through touch. Wake the body. Step 3, gentle mobility to restore function. Step 4, breathe to reset the system. Then step 5, gratitude to rewire your motivation. These 5 steps may look simple, but they work together like a daily update for your nervous system. And if you repeat them every morning, you are not just exercising. You are rebuilding communication between your brain and your body. If you or someone you love is recovering from a stroke, remember this. The most powerful therapy you can do isn't in the clinic. It is in the small, consistent actions that you take every morning. If you found this helpful, share with someone who needs hope today. Next, we'll be covering the 3 biggest mistakes, slowing down stroke, recovery, and how to fix them. Until then, move with purpose, breathe with intention, and keep rewiring your brain. You got this.